Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. Hope you guys are well and good. We are super excited. The reason for this one, we are going to hand over this project site before the scheduled time. See how beautifully we Shaastec is constructing our warehouse. This project is a facility development project. The scope is warehouse construction, building, security guard room, electrical room. Initially, this area was 1 meter down from the existing road level. So we backfilled this area and compacted in order to get 95% of field density test. Before starting these projects, we have submitted all the structural drawing. We do the structural drawing for this structural calculation for this project. The main use of making this structural calculation is that will increase your warehouse stability, that will increase your warehouse safety, and at the same time that will minimize your construction cost. We Shaastec International is very specialized in this type of value engineering techniques. So soon after the backfilling and compaction, after getting the approval from the clients, we started the civil works, foundations and grade slab. So same time, our structural fabrication job also going on. Actually that minimizes our construction time. After the curing of grade slab, we started the structural erection. Here, columns are I-beams, rafters also. For wall purlins and roof purlins, it is hollow section. And the claddings we used corrugated Kirby sheets. For insulation purpose, we use the 50 mm thick Kimco glass full insulation. It has 10 kg per m square is the density. This whole warehouse is divided into 3 bays. Each bay has 2 automatic rolling shutters, and all the warehouse consists with 4 emergency doors also. So this way we are constructing these warehouse. So you will get the more details about this project from the trailing videos. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.